If you snore, your girlfriend will thank you for this. Snoring isn't just embarrassing, it's a breathing problem. This is caused by weak airway muscles, which leads to blocked airflow, which then leads to snoring. The breather retrains your lungs, keeping your airways clear so you can actually breathe at night. Clinically proven, no pills, just science. Silent nights equal happy girlfriend plus better sleep for both of you. Isn't it about time you stop waking her up and stop waking yourself up? Breathe better, snore less, sleep deeper with the breather. Link in bio.